Hi everyone, welcome to our channel AllTechQueries, and today I am going to show a tutorial on how to freeze top row and first column in MS Excel. So this is our MS Excel, and here I am going to show you how to freeze the top row and first column. So before we start, please like our video and subscribe to our channel AllTechQueries. So let's begin. So this is our first row, and usually our first row contains of headings. So what happens is when you scroll down to enter values, now you can't see the headings. Okay, so I don't know what to enter here. Okay, or what values are there, which column it is, I don't know because they are hidden. So that is why, to solve this issue, Microsoft has introduced a feature called freezing panes. So let me show you how it is done. Okay, you don't need to select the first row or first column here. Just simply go to this view menu. Okay, so generally this is our default menu. So go to this view menu, and here you will find the option freeze panes. So click on it and you will find three options. So you need to select this freeze top row option. So this way, if you can see here a thick line here that indicates that this row is frozen. So now if you scroll, I can see, okay, so this is topic column, so this is topic status column, and this is published date. So even if I scroll to the end of the page, this will tick like that. Okay, this first row remains intact. So if you want to freeze multiple rows or multiple columns, I have made a video and I will leave the link in the description. Please check that video as well. So let me show you how to freeze column as well, because if you scroll to the right, okay, you don't know which column it is. So what is this, a video or article? I don't know. I have to go back again and see and come back. So that is why you can also freeze a column. So let me show you how to freeze a column. So again, you don't need to select this column here. Just go to this freeze pane option and choose this option, third option, freeze first column. Now your first column is frozen. So if you scroll to the end of the page, you will see this. Okay, so these are intact. So this is article. Okay, so this is video. So now if you want to unfreeze these rows or columns, what you need to do is go to this view menu again, and again we go to this freeze panes option, and you can see here unfreeze panes. So by clicking on this, we are going to unfreeze all the rows and columns. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I have also made a tutorial on how to freeze multiple rows and columns. Please check that as well. I will leave the links in the description, and you can also find a link to the video of how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. So please check this video as well. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, then click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel AllTechQueries. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.